A client had a slip-and-fall accident, and our lawyer, let's call him Mr. Slick, saw a quick payday. The defendant was a big corporation, and they immediately offered a settlement. It was a fair offer, enough to cover medical bills and then some. But Mr. Slick wasn't satisfied. He smelled blood in the water, or rather deeper pockets. He'd request endless, irrelevant documents. Schedule depositions only to cancel them at the last minute, and generally make the entire process as frustrating and expensive as possible for the other side. His goal was simple: annoy them into offering a massive settlement just to make him go away. For a while, it seemed to be working. The corporation's legal bills were piling up, but their lawyers started noticing a pattern. Mr. Slick wasn't just being aggressive. His tactics were bordering on unethical. He was misrepresenting facts in his filings and making arguments that had no basis in law. He was counting on the sheer volume of his nonsense to overwhelm everyone. The turning point came during a pre-trial hearing. The judge, an experienced, no-nonsense veteran of the bench, was growing tired of the constant delays. The corporation's lawyers came prepared. They presented a timeline of every delay, every frivolous motion, and every canceled deposition. They laid out a clear, undeniable pattern of harassment. They weren't just defending their client anymore. They were defending the integrity of the legal process. The judge listened patiently, his expression growing sterner with each example. He then turned to Mr. Slick and asked him to justify his actions. And for the first time, Mr. Slick faltered. He had no good answers. His arguments were weak, his excuses transparent. He had spent so much time trying to manipulate the system that he forgot he might one day have to answer to it. The judge was furious. He didn't just scold him. He delivered a blistering lecture on legal ethics and professional responsibility. He accused Mr. Slick of abusing the judicial process for his own financial gain and bringing dishonor to the profession. The courtroom was dead silent. Mr. Slick, who had walked in with so much swagger, was visibly shrinking in his chair. But the real explosion was yet to come. The judge didn't just dismiss the frivolous motions. He went a step further. In an instant, the hunter became the hunted. His plan to secure a huge payday had backfired spectacularly, leaving him facing financial ruin and the end of his career. The original slip-and-fall case was almost forgotten. The new headline was the lawyer who tried to outsmart the system and got crushed by it. His client, who likely would have received a fair settlement months earlier, was left with nothing but a lawyer in deep trouble. This story is a powerful reminder that while the wheels of justice can sometimes turn slowly, they have a way of grinding down those who try to jam them. It's a wild tale of arrogance and consequence. It proves that in a courtroom, the smartest person isn't always the one who talks the most, but the one who respects the rules. What do you think? Was the judge's response too harsh? Or did the lawyer get exactly what he deserved? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this story of courtroom justice, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.